This 2022, Vivo launched a bunch of smartphones ranging in various prices, specs, and more. Essentially, there's a Vivo phone that can cater to everyone's diverse needs and, more importantly, budget. Today, we're going to be checking out the top Vivo phones launched in 2022 that are a bit more budget friendly. All of the phones on this list are priced under 10,000 pesos, making them very light on the wallet. Heck, you can even get them for yourself or someone else this holiday season. I'm Jose from Yugatech, and let's get right into it. First up is the Vivo Y02S, a new entry-level model in the Y series lineup. Priced at just 6,499 pesos, it was launched back in August. The Y02S is essentially the successor of the Y01S. It features a 6.51-inch IPS LCD display, a MediaTek Helio P35 chipset, and a 3GB of RAM. The rear camera uses an 8-megapixel lens with flash, while the front camera uses a 5-megapixel unit. The smartphone comes with 32GB of storage but is expandable via micro SD card. A 5000 mAh battery powers the Y02S and it recharges via USB-C. The Y02S runs on FunTouch OS 12, which is based on Android 12. Two colors are available, fluorite black and vibrant blue. Another model from Vivo's Y series lineup is the Y16. It's a bit more expensive compared to the Y02S, but you do get more specs and features. The Y16 has an equally large 6.51-inch IPS display and also uses a MediaTek Helio P35 chipset. However, it comes with 4GB of RAM with 1GB extended RAM as well as 64GB or 128GB storage, which can be further extended via micro SD card. It has a dual rear camera featuring a 13-megapixel main lens and a 2-megapixel secondary lens. Meanwhile, the front camera uses a 5-megapixel lens. Also, it comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. Y16 runs on FunTouch OS 12 as standard and is available in either Stellar Black or Drizzling Gold. Price for the Y16 starts at 7,999 pesos for the 4GB plus 64GB variant, while the 4GB plus 128GB variant retails for 8,999 pesos. Moving outside Vivo's Y series line, we have the T1X 4G. It's a bit more expensive compared to other smartphones, retailing at 8,999 pesos. However, it does use a Snapdragon 680 processor with 4GB RAM and a larger 6.58-inch display with higher resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. In addition, the T1X also features a triple rear camera system highlighted by a 50-megapixel main lens. Meanwhile, the front camera uses an 8-megapixel lens. The smartphone is also powered by a 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging. This one though comes with a fingerprint scanner for added security. The Vivo T1X comes in two colors, space blue and gravity black. As with other Vivo phones on this list, it runs on FunTouch 12. Last but not least is the Vivo Y01. It was one of the first entry-level smartphones launched by the company this 2022. It's also the most affordable Vivo model on this list, priced at only 5,299 pesos. However, you do have to set your expectation when it comes to the specs. The Y01 runs on a Helio P35 chipset and features a 6.51-inch screen, but only comes with 2GB RAM. The storage is rated at 32GB, but there is a dedicated micro SD card slot should you need more space. At the back, there's an 8-megapixel camera with flash, while the front camera uses a 5-megapixel lens. Powering the Y01 is a 5000 mAh battery with a 10 watts charging rate. Unlike the other phones though, it runs on FunTouch OS 11.1, which is based on Android 11 Go edition. It is available in two colors, sapphire blue and elegant black. These are the phones Vivo launched in 2022 that currently retail for under 10,000 pesos. Out of the four, which one is your favorite? And more importantly, which one would you pick up this holiday season? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please do give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, and visit the Yugatech website to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Jose, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out!